May you open it, Mommy?
Yep. Can open it. What's it say? Angry birds. What's a bird sound like?
Well, there is.
Uh-oh. Hold it over the table. Okay, open it. Okay, you put it there. Open it. What's inside? Where'd it go? What's that?
A new egg.
It's an egg?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, what's in that plastic egg?
Toy.
Is a toy in there?
Mm-hmm.
What kind of toy?
Mine toy in there.
Your toy's in there?
And you open it, Mommy.
Here, Papa will help you open it. Okay, show me the toy. Here, dump it on the table. There you go. Okay, show me the toy. I can't see it. Oh, then I want to see. I want the camera to see it.
See?
Here, hand it to me. Thank you.
No, that's mine.
Is that your toy? What is that? Landon, what's the toy?
Black.
It's a black what?
Black toy.
It's a black toy. All right. Is this the old toy?
Mm-hmm.
What
Not
toy is
black.
that?
Lolo.
It's a yellow toy, a yellow bird. Kind of orangey. Can you put it back in the egg? Good job.
I can fit all.